Once upon a time, in a cozy kitchen full of giggles, 5 little chefs put on their aprons and wiggled their fingers. "Get ready," said the spoon, "let's cook," sang the bowl, and the kitchen began its cooking song. Peel, peel, peel the banana, spread it nice and slow. 1 raisin, 2 raisins, make a smile, hello-y. The little chefs laughed. "My snack looks happy." They learned to count and spread, and felt proud and snappy. Scoop the sauce, spread around, sprinkle cheese, shake, shake. Veggie eyes and a tomato nose, funny pizza, bake, 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 bake. They waited with patience, they followed each step, learning order and teamwork, doing their very best. Red and orange, yellow too, purple grapes, drop them in. Mix the colors, name them all, healthy eating, big chef win. Here, there. The bowl shone bright like a rainbow, teaching colors and nutrition. Crunch and munch, the chefs all said, with happy concentration. Spread, spread, spread so smooth, cucumber, I say hi, a silly smile made of cheese, sandwich friends, oh my, oh my. They name their faces, giggle, giggle, grin, learning body parts and creativity right there in the kitchen. Scoop the yogurt, fruit on top, granola crunch, don't rush, layer, layer, wait your turn, patience feels so plush. Oh, the chefs counted layers, 1, 2, 3, learning patterns and patience, as proud as they could be. The happy ending when the cooking was done, the little chefs cheered, we cooked, we counted, we tried again, and learned while we were here. The spoon bowed low, the bowl sang hooray, and the kitchen whispered softly, "Don't little chefs grow smarter every day? What a day!"